we're gonna start off with some lip moisturizer, also known as lip balm, because no one wants crusty lips. Carmex is my go-to. My all-time favorite is the St. Eve's Renewing Collagen and Elastigen Moisturizer. Oh my god, I'm almost out of it. Broken glass. I just had that crisis. We're gonna do a first impressions on the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Mist. I got a hydrating primer mist from Ulta. I was trying to get the putty primer, but it was sold out. So hopefully it doesn't get in my coffee. Eyebrows. I'm using the AOA Sculpting Brow Pencil. It's one of my favorites as of right now. So I'm gonna carve out my eyebrows. Tarte Shape Tape in medium tan golden. I got a new one because I needed one and the other ones were too dark for me. Ooh. Okay, so now that I glued my eyebrows on, just kidding, they're actually going into foundation using the Peach Perfect foundation by Too Faced. It's one of my favorite foundations. Take the AOA F23 brush and just kind of stipple it all over my face. We're gonna take my Morphe sponge. I'm convinced it probably has like glass particles in it, and I'm just gonna blend this out. Can you guys believe like it's almost summer again? Like, I'm literally looking at it. I feel like this year has gone by so fast, and also like last year, like the end of last year, I feel like went by so fast. It's crazy to me. Onto eyeshadow because I can't. So using the Zulu by Juvia or Juvia, I don't know how to say her name, so I'm sorry if I upset anyone. Oh my god, look how pretty this palette is. It's so beautiful. I snatched it from Ulta like a few days ago. I just saw something that made me like really sad, so I needed a minute. I put concealer in my eye, and now I'm gonna set it with powder. Take this bluish green shade and put it on my lid, the E125 by AOA. And just the E130 brush, AOA, and then I'm gonna take the yellow shade off of the excess and just blend this out. So the camera didn't pick this up, so I added more blue in the inner and outer part of my lid. I took this blue shade right here and added it to the middle of my lid. Okay, so this really pretty. Yeah, take concealer and just conceal my under eyes. Alright, so now that's done, I'm going to use the Airspun powder and the AOA Studio F25 brush. So I added the pink and the blue, which kind of created a purple, using the Wet n Wild contour palette and an AOA Studio F14 brush. And forehead. taking the AOA Studio F21 brush from the Foam Minx collection. I'm gonna add some blush. Okay, now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on some false ones, and then I'll be right back. Now that I put on lashes and I put on mascara, I use the Ardell 252 lashes for the one and only highlight. My favorite, obviously, the Anastasia Glow Kit, Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm obviously gonna use Starburst, my favorite highlight all time, and magical. It does wonders. So pretty. For lips, I'm just gonna use Victoria's Secret flavored gloss. I'm gonna spray my face with the Anastasia Dewy Set setting spray. Smells so good. Enjoy the Zulu palette. It's so pretty, so pigmented, big pan, really pigmented pressed pigment eyeshadow. Yeah, that's kind of long. But anyways, this is a completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye.